Enemy down.
Frag out.
Enemy shield broken. Taking shots. Killed an enemy.
Oh.
Recharging my shields.
Bro, I'm quite learning that. You gotta give me that.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Oh.
Shield broken. Need to recharge my shields.
Taking a new angle.
Enemy shield broken.
Bullseye. Shoot the opponent.
Killed an enemy.
Nice kill. Get them. I'm recharging my shield.
Oh my god, bro. Shotgun City right now. Such a nuts.
Got this weapon enhanced. Good.
Enemy there.
I made the right full Evo cache here. Got an amp here. Bottomless batteries.
Can someone slide me 2 bats?
This upgrade should help.
I won't ever ask again.
I don't have any.
Hostile over there. Enemy shield broken.
Whoa, getting shot at.
Watch yourself. Another squad attacking. Phasing. Enemy down.
Throwing an arc shot.
Yeah.
Frag out. Enemy shield.
What?
Half the squad.
Bro, what was that? And how did none of my shotgun or none of my grenades hit?
Hey, kill leader looks good on you.
Dude, I'm using only shotguns right now. I have 5.
Recharging my shield.
Did any of them have 2 bats?
No.
I feel like you're lying to me now. I smell it.
No, I'm being serious. I don't have it.
We're already inside the next ring.
Drop your whole inventory then. How about that one? Drop your whole inventory.
Attention.
Both of you, drop your whole inventory right now. Listen to me.
Replicator incoming.
You trying to defend yourself?
I got a grenade that will kill all of us.
Tokyo, give me them 2 then. How about that one, pal? No, I'm just kidding. Well, I won't do that to you. Unless you backstab me. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Just don't talk about that one.
Now you're.
Let's explore this way.
Imagine like still having a purple or still having a blue right now. Jeez Louise. Yikes. Imagine. Like, that could not be me.
Crafting, but keeping focus.
Am I right? Sightless. Am I right?
I could use that.
Huh?
I said imagine still having a blue right now.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh.
What is that?
I said it doesn't bother me.
Oh, it doesn't bother you that you have a blue right now?
Use it unless. You like running out of essentials? Found the shield battery here.
Oh, Tokyo, I already have 2. I'm good. Thank you. Come here, I'll give you a kiss.
Crafting. Just a sec.
Mwah.
Watch
Oh
my back.
yeah.
I'm healing.
That was hot. That was hot. Tell you what, for having 2 shotguns, looking insane right now. All right, both of you guys line up right here.
Might be something good this
Both
way.
of you guys line up. Line up, bro. Come up here right now. Wait, both of you come up here right now.
Heavy ammo here.
Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. My fault. Alright, never mind.
Kraber
Both of
here.
you guys come here and line up.
Photographer right off your
Both of you
break.
guys come here and line up
Let's go
right
this
now.
way.
Line up, line up. All right. Show me your dance moves. Show me your dance moves right now. Start dancing. Start dancing. Did I ask you to? Tokyo. Did I ask? Go in the corner. Go in the
We
corner.
don't want to
Go in the corner.
Avoid this area.
Let me see it again. Ah, come here. Vantage, come back down here. Come back down here. Vantage. 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 Come back down here.
This is not our path.
back-
We
okay,
should
show me your
defend here. Trust me.
Are you disobeying me?
Good. We're inside.
You do not want to see what happens if you disobey me. Alright. Tokyo, come here.
Replicator incoming.
Okay, now,
I'm
show me.
here.
Now you're gonna listen, right? You're gonna listen. Right, Tokyo? You're gonna listen like a good little boy, aren't you? Alright. Now, Tokyo, now you show me your best dance moves.
Spotted an opponent out there.
Sure.
I'll slide it like a solid 4. A solid 4. Okay?
Okay.
Could be better. Could be better. We do have people on us.
Hostile close.
Getting shot.
That enemy shield is broken.
Follow the tunnel.
Tagged and half of
One went through. One went through.
Sending out the
the
tracker.
cracked target.
No, I'm down.
Put down some
Guys, go through the portal.
Need to recharge my shields.
No. What are you guys doing? Why are we fighting this?
taking fire.
Arcstar out.
Greg, I'm saving you. You'll let me see the
Need to recharge my shields.
We're already inside the next ring. Time to find a good perch.
Void running. Enemy shield broken.
Go on me, crack. Guys, I really need help. He's one shot. Guys, he's really low. Thank you. Phone res.
Less time. Oh, you're
Sorry,
all
I didn't mean to get loud. It just, you know, I mean, it scares me sometimes, guys. It scares
Shield
me.
batteries here.
Sending a
Send it
tracker.
right back here.
Un momento, por favor.
Nah, man, I'm low-key rocking with my double shotgun.
Light pack here. Level 3.
Been using double shotguns this whole time.
Oh, I need that.
Round 4. Beginning ring countdown.
Lifeline? Leo, lifeline, drone, bro?
Myself up.
Lifeline, can I get a drone? Lifeline. Lifeline, can I get a drone?
Hey, replicator
Lifeline.
incoming.
Yo, lifeline, drone me,
Fuck is a
bro.
lifeline.
Yo, lifeline, drone me. Lifeline. Did you just ask what's a lifeline? Wait. What level are you? Wait, how?
I said, whose lifeline?
1 minute. Ring's pretty close.
Oh. You are, bro. What are you talking about?
Hostile right here.
Watch my port, watch my port. I'm gonna
Punching the
get
tunnel.
kidnapped, bro. Watch. Watch my port, watch my port. Just watch it. Are you watching? Watch my port, bro.
Nearby and close.
Yo, watch my port, bro.
Others died there.
Told you. What'd I say? Oh. Knocked one.
Enemy down.
Went through my port, bro.
Bullseye. Enemy tracker. That enemy shield is broken.
Less than 30 seconds. Rings nearby.
They're shooting at me.
Shattered the grand shield.
Go back to my port. Guys, I told you. Told you I was gonna get kidnapped. What'd I say?
Amp here. Infinite ammo.
Never mind.
We were back where I put my port at.
Target spotted.
10 seconds before the ring moves. We're close. No excuses if you get burned.
Void running.
People coming up this side too.
Heads up. The ring's moving.
No one's inside this building. No one's inside this building. Get inside here. Get inside here.
Gun, eyes, and ability to draw fire. And down.
Healing
Bro.
up.
That's on me.
Eyes are open though.
Guys, this is a good game for me, guys. What are we doing? I got you. I'll port.
Setting a portal.
Come here. Watch it, sweetheart.
1 minute. Ring's pretty close. 1 second. You got
Now
this.
say please. Not mission. I need you. I need you, sweetheart. I need your love. Sorry.
Oh.
Recharging shields.
Tokyo, why are you calling me daddy, bro? Chill. You're gonna get me wild. Tokyo. Chill out. Oh, God. Now, why'd this guy join the Discord?
Oh.
No. Oh,
Oh. Please.
he's so upset.
Ring the punch. 30 seconds. Do if you're late.
He knows I'm
Void
joking
running.
with him.
Enemy shield broken.
Maybe.
Need to recharge my shields. Reloading.
I haven't seen you guys in a while. Hello.
Taking fire.
What's up?
Just try and
Who's
hide with
good?
that shiny tag.
It's here. I'm
Up here.
Contact with target.
Oh, yeah.
Focus. Enemy. Contact with target.
You start now.
Shield.
Can you throw stuff on me?
I'm down.
Hey, 1 HP. 1 HP. Last one's 1 HP. She's cut. He's in that team.
Mark. Right there.
Enemy shield. Another enemy down. We got a lot this time.
Dude.
Got our squad.
I like this too.
That's what I'm saying. They're tough. By the way, we used to rather get wins before.
We got
Jonathan
this.
Murphy's.
He went to. He went to SoundCloud.
Recharging my shields.
Yeah, no, he's been on SoundCloud. But still, his album isn't there yet. Like,
Watch my
I tried.
portal.
Placing a portal.
I'm watching for it.
Hear No Evil, Philadelphia.
Got one.
I'll drive to his house.
He's stuck. What's up? I'm watching for it.
Recharging my shields.
Yeah, I see. This guy's in Philadelphia. I'll drive to his house.
Well, please drive to his house. Bro. I need him to drop.
That's one.
He's like 2 hours away from
Down
me.
an enemy. Half the squad remaining. Killed an enemy.
He's left. He's left. Can you start that?
Dead.